Hi, welcome back to LKCloudTech. So previously, last class we have discussed about properties, different type of properties. In different type of properties, we have seen like index, technical properties, and yeah, these types. Properties, anchor, image, index. We have seen all this, correct? So, but unfortunately, this image could not happen. So, due to some technical issue, my Tosca commentaries did not work properly. So that's why I just bringing that previous topic to right now. So, what I'm going to do is just we'll discuss about this property, different type of property, out of which one property is image property. So let me show you. Yeah. So technical properties we have discussed. Representation we have discussed. Transition properties we have discussed all these things. And also in technical properties is a basic properties. Anchor properties is types of property. Index is another type of property. Image is also property. So out of which, so we will see about. So we already have done with anchor property, index property, and basic technical properties. Now let's see the image property. So let's open this Tosca commander. This is my Tosca commander. Let me try to scan. So we are discussing about the properties, okay, out of which there are different type of properties. So we are discussing only image property. So let me scan the application. So before you scan this application, you need to open the browser. Okay. So yeah, PowerPoint, WhatsApp, OBS. Where is my application? Mozilla Firefox, website, web shop. Isn't this the one? Let's see. Scan this. See this? Add code. So this is different. Okay. And remaining add codes. If we have a similar type of items, objects, so it is difficult to identify. That is the reason properties are all useful. So whenever this kind of things happen, whenever this issues happens, so if you see the properties color is orange, this is one kind of identification. And also this one item is not unique, the selected item is unique. So we make this selected item is unique, which means one item is not unique, in the sense it is indicating that these are all similar. Okay, so there is no different name meaning. So add card, add card, such kind, the similar names are there. We need to make it as unique. For that only the properties are useful. Okay, that is the reason we are using properties. Okay, so for that what we have to do is right now, um, let me selected already. I have already selected. Let me go to advanced. Okay, I just need to choose the image. We are talking about image, right? So let me choose this image. Next. Yeah, next, what we should do is, let me find out that, yeah, this is the one. You need to click on this. Okay, whenever you click on this, you see this card, add to card. Last time we did not see this. It must show whatever we have, the image, whatever the name you have selected while you are scanning, the same name should be displayed here. Okay, so after that you need to select this, identifying the image. Okay, you see, automatically it got highlighted. Okay, you can take any reference, any space reference. I'm just taking it as random. That's it. You save yes. I'm just giving permissions. That's it. See this? You could not see anywhere orange color, right? Which means it made unique. Also, you can see the selected item is unique, right? Okay. So that is the reason. So that is really one of important property. So it is really good, right? This is how we can use image property. That's it. Okay. Next topic. So this is all about image property. Next we'll see next topic. That's it. Properties done. Okay. So let's see. If you want to read this, you can read. This interview purpose it will be useful. Technical properties are basic properties identifying the attributes of elements. Okay. Anchor properties used when element cannot be uniquely identified with the technical properties alone. What is index property? Which is used multiple elements have the same properties and Tosca need to differentiate them by order position. Okay, what is image property? Used when the objects can only be identified using the image pixel comparison. Okay, using pixel comparison uh, only by taking it reference of any other image. Only it will identify uniquely. That's how. So then what happens if suppose if resolution get changes, okay? So if in case in that place you whatever you picture you took as a reference, so if that got changed again, this will be again there are chances to change the properties again. So that is the reason this image properties take it you can take it as a last option. So go with this flow: technical property, anchor property, index property, image property. Text property is a part of technical only, no problem. Okay, so some elements are recognized by the visible text context, like example, um, inner text, outer text, something kind of text log in something. So no problem. This will be already covered in technical. This is all about the properties in Tosca. Okay. So next topic. Okay, maybe. So we'll take one more normal topic. I mean other topic. Maybe PDF not designed. I guess I think so. Let me check. Hmm. Let us discuss about cross-browser testing. Let's see. Yeah. Cross-browser testing in Tosca. Cross-browser testing is also known as multiple browser testing. Okay. So cross-browser testing is a process of testing web applications across the multiple browsers, and it ensures to deliver a consistent user experience in all the browsers. Okay, so you can also read this. You can see cross-border testing ensures that your application works consistently across the multiple browsers. Example: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, etc. Tosca. In Tosca, this is achieved by running the same automated test cases on the different browsers without rewriting them. Okay. So how Tosca supports cross-browser testing? Tosca X Browser Engine 3.0 latest or classical. Okay, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge. Internet Explorer. Okay, so we just need to use browsers, different browsers. That's it, man. Okay, let's see. Instead of reading this unnecessary stuff, better we can do it practical. Okay, that's good, right? Let's move on. Then I'll close this. All right. Login test, user registration, login. We have all these things, right? Okay. Okay. Always we should declare the browser in TCP only. We will use TCP. But you can ask me. We did not discussed about TCP, right? TCP is nothing. Nothing. Just we will add the values, reusable values in particular place, which is called as test configuration parameters. Okay. Okay. So we did not create that. So we'll see that later. So first, initially, see test configuration. You can see this. So here it will all store. Okay, before going to that, so let's discuss about this cross browser testing. So while anybody watching this cross browser testing, better you guys will visit other video related to test TCP. I mean, okay, test configuration parameters. Okay, so then you can understand better easily this. Okay, this is also dead easy, no problem. Tosca complete Tosca is dead easy. Don't worry. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, the thing is, we used to run. For example, if I run this case, I'll run this. See this? If I run, what happened? Automatically, it is going to the default browser. Is it correct? Obviously, right? Yeah, it is running. See, logging automatically. It is entering some values. It is going something. Yeah, it is running something. Yeah, test got successfully ran. We got results also. Yeah, that's great, man. All right. So this thing happened in one browser. Okay. But client will always ask. We never know that which client what they will ask. The requirement may changes always in the project. For suppose client will ask testing in any browser, we should not depend on the default browser. For suppose I actually set this what is this Mozilla Firefox as a default browser. But thing is, client want to test this in Chrome also, Microsoft Edge also, Internet Explorer also. Then that time. So again, that you need to know, right? First, you need to have that much idea and experience on the cross-browser testing. So that's the reason you must learn about this, right? So real-time client will track the browser actively from which browser has more usage. For suppose Chrome has 70%, Firefox has 20%, and Edge has 5%, and Internet Explorer 5%, total 100%. So client will let you allow to test cross browser testing, will allow to test across all these browsers, right? So always we should be ready for that testing. Okay, always we should declare the browser um, browser kind of details in uh, TCP. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll try to create one folder that is for cross browser testing. Okay, okay, this is my folder. Just I created only for nothing else. We're just creating a folder. Okay, And so what I will do is instead of creating and doing all this stuff unnecessarily, I just copying all these things earlier whichever I've done. So if you follow my previous videos, you will get to know that how to create all this open URL T box, login details, credential T box, weight, etc, etc, etc. So you will get all the kind of knowledge from my previous classes. Go through that and come here, but directly do not watch this video. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just copying my this already existed test case, copy and paste here. Simple. So it has given, yeah, that's great. All right, that's awesome. Next, what I'm doing is um I will copy. I want to Firefox, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer. So I want three, right? So let me do one thing. I will select again, copy this and paste one. Oh, again, copy, copy, copy. Yes, copy, paste. Oh, Control C is not working. Okay, copy and let's try here, paste. Yeah, it's working. Control V is working. Again working. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, let me rename it. Let me do rename. Control Fn F2 for rename. So what I'm doing is I just want to make this name as user login Chrome. User login. User login Chrome. 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 Again for this rename it. It's dead easy. Tosca is dead easy subject. Don't worry guys. Easy, you can learn. Next, Firefox. Fire. 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 Fox. And Internet Explorer. IE. Enough shortcut I'll keep. Okay. Next. This is for Edge. Better I'll use this. Edge. 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 Okay. So in Linux also I'll follow some these kind of pattern. Sometimes iPhone, sometimes underscore. Firefox also I'll keep like this. That's awesome. All right. So we got all. That's good. So it's you just make your work easy, very easy. Okay. Every time changing the browsers as default, Chrome, Firefox to Edge, default to Chrome, Chrome to Firefox, Firefox to Edge, Edge to Internet Explorer, Explorer, Internet Explorer to default again. This thing is clumsy, right? So we declare the browser details in URL by using TCP. We have to declare the variables in TCP so that for that purpose in text, whatever the test case is there in this test case, what we have to do is we have to test case create a test configuration parameter. This is a symbol test configure. If you don't know also, no problem at all. Just simple right click, check one by one like this. It will display the name. Just create like this. Yeah, this is test. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, browser. This is BROWE browser. Okay, browser. The value is Chrome. Case sensitive. CROME Chrome. That's it. Okay. So next, all right, you created a test case, so you named it as a Chrome, and just try to run the test case. Let's see where it is going. I just need to check whether the Chrome will open or not. It is open, right? No, no. It's not opened. See, failed. Opened, failed. Means we designed a specific browser without going into the default browser. But it got failed. Let's see the error. Unknown value, rest test configuration parameter browser. Yeah, correct. Because TCP we only mentioned only browser. What about details? What about all these things? So where it will go? Where it will go and check the details, passwords. Okay, these details. Who will give all these details, right? So we have to declare all these details, right? That's why. So that's why it got failed. Anyways, that's we are doing awesome job. Again, let's do one thing. I'll create test parameter to one more time. Yeah, this is for username. Username. All right. This is for password. Password. Okay. So login credentials are there. You know already this credentials. Tbox wait. Login details. Click. Yeah, these details. Just simply copy the CMID. I'm just playing with it. Don't worry. Okay. Simply come here test case. Just test configuration. The username is this. Alright. Enter. And the password also. I don't know password. That's why I'm just checking here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. Let me come here. Go test case configuration 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Guys, if somebody does not know more about this Tosca, will get doubts, you can ping all the doubts in WhatsApp, or you can ping the doubts in comment section who are watching this video. Okay, you can able to change this type also, data type. If you want to uh, if you don't want to disclose this password, you just keep this password. Automatically it will become a star, like this, simple. See this, star star star. If you want to make it string, if you want to see that, no problem, yeah, you can keep it string like this. I will give my password again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. This is not completed yet. Again, in credentials you must call the browse, you must call the TCP. Okay, if you want to call the TCP, what is the syntax? You need to open brackets, flower brackets. Yes, next. CP means configuration parameter. Okay, and this is a kind of syntax. That's great. You have to call this from username, username, right? Got it. Next, you need to call. You are just linking it, nothing else. I just want to copy from here itself again. Copy. So time is important, right? That's why I'm just using password. That's awesome, right? Oh, that's awesome. All right. So I have declared everything. These are all details which I have. So if this work or not, I'm not sure. I'm just giving this email ID. Let's try. Okay, let me try again. Run Scratchbook. Maybe I think current is default browser is Firefox, and you are running on Chrome. Not sure whether this work or not. Let's see again. Chrome. Yeah, got failed. I expected this error. Same. Unknown value. Test configuration parameter. Browser. Yeah, test configuration parameter. Whatever you mentioned is unknown value. Okay. No problem. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll do one thing. I just want to add one more module, extra module. Close browser. Oh, already it is existed, right? So go to standard malls, T-box automation tools, T-box insurance, HTML, close browser. You will find it. Open your close browser. Just simply drag and drop here in your test case. Yep, that's good. Okay, that's awesome. What you want to browse, what you want to close, you need to declare that demo web shop. Demo web shop. There will be a lot of tabs will be there, right? So you need to declare that which one you need to close. That is right path. That is right practice. Copy, and paste here, and also paste here, and also paste here. All that's good. You see here, close browser is there. That's it. All right. So now let's address our problem. So open URL. This will open your URL, but if you want to here also you need to call. Yeah, I'll copy. Copy this. Okay, let me try again. Still, if there are any issues, we'll see that later. Yeah, again got the same problem. We are missing somewhere. No test configuration parameter with the key name and Chrome was found. No test configuration parameter with the key name and Chrome we found. Okay, got it. So you don't have any extension for your browser. Okay, so yeah, so let me open here any of my browser. Okay, see there is no extension you find. No extension of related to Tricentis Tosca. Let me remove this also. Remove. That's it. Okay. All right. Um, so what we have to do is now I will go default apps. Default apps. Okay. Default Chrome. Yep, Chrome default. Now it became default. So set default. Yeah, Chrome. You see this? Now default app is the default browser is Google Chrome. Let's try to run here. Run. Come on, do it fast. It still got failed. That's good challenge. Okay, no. Okay. I will ask my friend. I have a lot of support with this, my friend. The error means Tosca did not find any correct test configuration parameter. Typo mistake, I guess. Yeah, CHOR. Oh my goodness. Spelling errors. Guys, don't do this kind of mistakes. Oh my goodness. Thank you, ChatGPT. This is the mistake. See, spelling mistakes won't accept the Tosca. Okay. So I think I did mistakes here also. I need to call in test case also. Where is my test case? Yeah, where is my test key? Yeah, here also. See again, same mistake. Yep. All right, save this. Yep. So let me save and we'll try again. Oh, this again got failed. All right, let's see again. What is this? No test configuration parameter again. This is getting. All right. One more time, we'll cross check. So the error no test configuration parameter with the key of Chrome was found happen because the test Chrome is not the key. That's the value. Okay. So key always browser. Oh God, my goodness. So yeah, whatever we have done the mistakes, let's clear. Let's clear. Let's clear. I understood. Let's me try. So if you do more mistakes, you will get more knowledge. No doubt about it. All right. This URL. I am not going to value. I'm not going to give a value. That's it. Simple. Save this. Try it again. If I do mistakes, I'll be more happy. See, let's if it is fail or not fail. No, it's not failing. See, it will run. Maybe we don't have extensions. That's why it is waiting. Let's see. Oh yeah, good. I got it. I got this. Yeah. So if you get more errors, that will be good. What is this? User login. No matching type was found with the following properties. Title demo web shop. Okay, got it. Got it. Hmm. So that's why be careful with the titles. Okay. So user login title. This is login title, user credentials, email, username, password. We call that's okay. This is here okay. Closable. This is okay. Tbox wait login. It's open. Next one. Tosca actual page is different. Tosca is expecting different. Okay. Mhm. This is the only one, right? Mhm. User login. It will click on login whenever it goes. It is opening actually. T-box wait. 5 seconds. Next login credentials. It should click. It is actually confusing actually here. Hmm. Login credentials here. Here actually. What we will do? I think here we need to use TCP. Then again. Okay. Okay. So let me close this also. Mhm. Browser shows this one. Tosca is looking for this one. Oh, okay. Mhm. Okay. Browser showing this, this one browser showing, I guess. Tosca is looking this one, main page. Mhm. Open URL, tbox wait. After that, login. Test case. Go to test case parameters. Let me check here. Chrome only. Can I give here Chrome? Let's see. Wait. Here test case parameters is browser. I'll check here and I'll give here then. Okay. CP browser. Let's see. Let's see. Try again. It is open new one. No matching tab word found. This is title. This is user login Chrome. Maybe. Maybe this user login Chrome. This is the title. Mhm. Here I mentioned here Chrome, right? Open URL. Login. After login, why you go with the browser? Just click here. That's it. After that, you just need to enter a user name, password, click go. Whenever it come here, and again I will cross check with these details, test configuration details, username, password. After that, wait and it will close the browser. Okay, demo web shop. That's it. So where is the issue then? Actually, no extension here. If I make it, I'll change the default apps. Now Firefox, I'll make it. Let's try with this only. Try. That's it. Firefox is default now. Close. Okay. Now try. This extension need to find, right? Set user login credentials. User login credentials. Again, try to run this individually. One second, one second, one second, one second. It will check here. Let me keep this and try. So now I'll try. Now I'll try. Let's try. It's peeling off and keeping in mouth. Let's see. It's opened. Just need to click on login. Okay. Now I'll change this as Firefox. Let's see. I'll go testing parameters. I'll change it as a Firefox. Okay, let's try then. It's opening Firefox now. Let's see the result. Yeah, it is clicking, entering the details. Okay, now it will close the browser. Yeah, it's test is got successfully gone, successfully done. Okay, which means parameters, TCP, everything working fine. The problem is default browser. That's it. Okay, default browser. So you need to make your Chrome should be default. So your browser is not default. That is the reason we got issue. Okay. So what to do here? Tosca extension needed. Okay. Extensions. Manage extensions. No extension here. I don't want this. Okay, my extensions. Okay, how to add Tosca extensions in the Chrome. Okay, let me do it again. Default apps. Why you are trying only this? We should make this edge as default. Let's try with edge. Okay, so let me go here. Where is edge extensions? Let me change here all. Edge. This is edge, right? So we need to add all those things again. So instead of doing all these things, let's copy the all are ready right here. Just only no test case parameters. Okay, can I copy this? Copy and paste here. Not working. Okay. Okay. Copy. Got it. This is Firefox. This is for Internet Explorer. Spelling I'll check later. Okay, next I'll paste here. This is Edge, Chrome, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge. Okay, that's good. I'll try to run this. Now an edge. Only browser opening. Yeah, this reason is actually no extensions here. Uh, for Edge also we have one concept actually for Edge. We have to download new extension. So this will not support. So I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. Um, yeah. See this? Let's copy and paste in the edge. So get it? Add extension, view extension. Why it is showing this like this? Okay. Now let's see. Now close this. Try to run edge, only edge. Edge, make edge. Over here, devops, wait. Okay, okay, okay. Let's try to run this. Again failed. Individually it is failing actually. Only default browser Chrome only working. No matching, no matching tab was found with the following properties. Title demo web shop. Okay, once again. What is this? Title demo web shop. Title demo web shop. Where is that? User login credentials. Okay. This is the name of the TCP. What is the issue? Let's try this. Chrome. Can I try again this? I already changed name. Let's see. It's going into Chrome. That's fine. After that, not working. Okay. So maybe login page I'll try to copy this and I'll try to paste this login page into my test cases. Yeah, everywhere. Open URL. Maybe that is looking for it, I guess. So let me paste this. Okay. Now try to run the case. Run this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's open to two browsers. Not right. Mm-hmm. It's okay. No matching tab was found. Following properties. Demo web shop. Where is that? Let's try again here. I will try here. Let's see. Now I'll later after this I will change the test case. I will call the test case. Okay, no problem. So we are just using this many times. We are trying to test. Just imagine that who have developed Tricentis developers tested this those many times. Just imagine. So I'm just calling not the calling this. I'm just simply calling this as browser. Okay, I'm just keeping here. What is this browser? Just I'm calling like this. You open URL. I'm not doing anything here individually. I'm keeping here next CP configuration parameter and browser. That's it. Enter. Save this. Call. Run this. Yeah, let's try. Okay. Again, I'll try. Open URL got an issue now, which means unknown value test configuration parameter browser. Okay, got it. No problem. So I only done this intentionally. I know this. Okay, this I called actually this one. Still, it should call right. Okay, let's see. I'll remove this and I'll directly keep here the value. Maybe the code confused, I guess. Let me cross check. Test configuration parameter I need to keep here browser. Browser is Firefox. Firefox. Okay. Now I'll call here the URL. It is asking default browser. Copy this here, paste here. That's it. Save this and try to run this. Yeah. Oh, two tabs are there. That's why it is confusing. Yeah, now it is at entering. Yeah, browser default browser is Firefox is working absolutely fine. Okay, because there is extension here. Because there is an extension here. See, the result got successfully passed. See the result? Everything on well, always right. So for Firefox is working very much fine. All right, that's fine. So here this is fine. Still it is okay. Let me keep this as a Firefox only. Firefox. Okay. So test case also I kept here Firefox. So there's Firefox. I can make it as a Chrome. Okay. I will remove this one because I have only one. Right. This is absolutely working fine. This thing is not working because no extension here. So here test parameters. Firefox. You just make it as a Chrome. Chrome. Yeah. Okay. Open URL. This will open. Okay. Tbox wait. It will wait the click it. Credentials. Oh my goodness. This you need to call. Okay, let me. That's why you need to cross check everything. Okay, CP username user name. Okay, enter. This is password. 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 Okay. Tbox wait close right. That's it. And this in the detail. I mean Chrome TCP here. Oh yeah, that's fine. Username and password is fine. Browser is Chrome. Let's try. Now I'll save this. I'll do all these things. Okay, let me try again. Open URL, that's fine. Login details, fine. Credentials, you need to replace this. Okay, username, password, password, and tbox, close browser demo web shop, that's fine. Okay, next to TCP, Internet Explorer I mentioned, right? Okay, that's fine. Next, Edge. Edge also something like this. Hello, can you close the door, please? Hello. Looks all good. I think so. Let me try to run one by one. So I'll try to run Chrome now. So I'm not changing any default and all. Just I'm trying to run Chrome. That's it. It's open in Chrome, not yet. So I'll close. Yeah, it is open in Chrome only. It is opened in the Chrome. It is opening in the Chrome, but it is not running. Yeah, that's okay. Again, there is some resolution issue also in my laptop. So I could face it earlier also. And I'll just try to run this Internet Explorer. The same rule is working for Firefox, not others. Yeah. Okay. Unknown value is telling because I think I don't have Internet Explorer. I guess Internet Explorer. Okay. One sec. Yeah, I don't have Internet Explorer right now. So fine. Brave I will use better. Brave also I have, right. So instead of this Internet Explorer, I'll use Brave. Okay. So this is it will call by using the name of the browser. BRAV, right? Case sensitive. Let me try to open this then. Brave browser is there, but still it is not opening. Because Brave does not have any permissions, that's why. Alright, let's keep, no problem. Default apps. Brave, make this default today. No. So far. Let's run the with Brave. I don't know Tosca is having that permissions for Brave or not. Okay, brave. It's not alone. Next to default tabs. Okay, let's try to run this. It's just opened. Could not find the requirement registry entry. Okay. Take group Tricentis knowledge base center. Oh, it is not allowing. Don't know here. What is happening today? Mhm. What a fun. Alright guys, so whatever issues I found, those I'll find the issues and I'll fix it and I'll get back to you next class. Whatever issues I found in same current class, that I'll definitely address in next class and will along with the TCP. Next class would be TCP. I'll explain everything about TCP. Okay.